Listen up, you donkey. In the culinary world, we worship flavor. But let me tell you, flavor doesn't happen overnight, it takes time. Like a fine wine or a perfectly aged steak, the best things in life need time to develop. Think about it, a rushed risotto, a bloody disaster, a slow-cooked stew, a symphony of flavor. The same goes for achieving greatness. You can't microwave success. It's about dedication, persistence, and yes, bloody patience. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, neither was a Michelin star restaurant. Every masterpiece, whether it's on a plate or in your life, demands patience. So ditch the shortcuts and embrace the journey. The results will be worth it, you'll see. The kitchen is a pressure cooker, literally and figuratively. It's a place where you learn to keep your cool, even when things are boiling over. And nothing tests your patience like waiting for something to cook. Take bread baking, for instance. You can't rush the proving process. The yeast needs time to work its magic, creating those beautiful, airy pockets in the dough. Try to speed things up and you'll end up with a dense, chewy brick. Or consider a delicate sauce. It needs to simmer gently, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen. Crank up the heat, and you'll end up with a scorched mess. See, the kitchen teaches you that good things come to those who wait. The lessons learned in the kitchen translate to life outside the restaurant too. Just like a slow-cooked meal, personal growth requires patience. You can't expect to become a master chef overnight, can you? Whether you're learning a new skill, building a business, or working towards a personal goal, remember the simmering pot. It's about consistency, dedication, and resisting the urge to rush the process. Think of your goals like a complex recipe. Each step, each ingredient plays a crucial role in the final outcome. Skip a step or rush the process and you compromise the entire dish. Look, I get it. We live in a world obsessed with instant gratification. But trust me, shortcuts will always leave you shortchanged. Whether it's a microwave meal or a get-rich-quick scheme, the results are always subpar. Remember, true satisfaction comes from the journey, from the effort and dedication you pour into achieving your goals. So ditch the shortcuts, embrace the process, and savor the sweet taste of success. Patience is more than just a virtue. It's the secret ingredient to a flavorful life. So be patient, work hard, and never ever give up on your dreams.